Hello dear viewers, again Priyanka Saini is with the next topic of class 7th chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. In the part 1 we have done photosynthesis. We have done the autotrophic mode of nutrition in the plants. Yes, why I am telling you that we have done autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. मैं आपको स्वपोषी न्यूट्रिशन प्लांट्स में स्वपोषी पोषण क्यों बता रही हूँ प्लांट्स में, क्योंकि ये परपोषी भी होते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो हेट्रोट्रॉफ्स. येस, प्लांट्स आर ऑल्सो हेट्रोट्रॉफ्स. बट बिफोर दैट हम छोटा सा रिकैप कर लेते हैं ताकि आपको चीज़ें कनेक्ट करने में आसानी हो जाए. So, photosynthesis is the process through which plants are preparing their food through the simple substance into the complex sugar. Which simple substance they are using? They are taking carbon dioxide from the air, they are taking water from the soil, they absorb it from their roots itself. Chlorophyll is present in the leaves that gives them green color. Yes, you are very right. The color green in the plants is because of chlorophyll only, and sunlight just activate this chlorophyll. This chlorophyll combine these two things and convert into the glucose and oxygen, right? So the kitchen of the plant is the leaf. Yes, but what about the plants, those who are not green in color? You might have seen some plants, no? You might have seen one thread-like structure that is just rolled around a tree and slowly it just absorb all the nutrients. आपने ज़रूर एक ऐसा पीले रंग का धागेनुमा पौधा देखा होगा, एक बेल देखी होगी जो कि किसी भी प्लांट के ऊपर, किसी भी पेड़ के ऊपर लपेट ली जाती है और वो उसका सारा का सारा न्यूट्रिशन सोख लेती है. Yes, they are not the autotrophs, they are heterotrophs. What they are? They are the heterotrophs. They are the heterotrophs. So, heterotroph mode of nutrition. Let's start. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In this, first of all, plants, those who are surviving on the insects, they are known as insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. क्या करते हैं ये plants? What they are doing? They are just trap the insects. You might have seen, you might have heard the name of pitcher plant. The shape of this plant is just like a pitcher. Just like a pitcher, they are having one flap. Whenever any insect come into this plant, they just close this flap, close this flap, and when this insect get inside this pitcher plant, they secrete some juices. ये कुछ juice secrete करते हैं जिससे ये इंसेक्ट डिज़ोल्व हो जाता है और इसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स को ये प्लांट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. दैट इज़ द पिक्चर प्लांट. दैट इज़ द पिक्चर प्लांट. अनदर प्लांट दैट रिलाई ऑन द इंसेक्ट, द वेरी फेमस प्लांट इज द विनस फ्लाई ट्रैपर. विनस फ्लाई ट्रैप. This is also a plant whose shape is just like a trapper. It just trap the flies in between and suck it, and just suck its all the material, right? Another type of heterotrophic mode is the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. What? Saprotrophic mode of nutrition. In this saprotrophic mode of nutrition, let's start with the example. You might have heard about mushrooms. Who all like mushrooms? Yes, mushroom is a very delicious food, and nowadays we are using it as the vegetable, and sometimes we are using in the pizzas, sometimes we are using in the shakes, in the soups. Mushroom itself is very healthy to eat. Even I love mushroom. So this mushroom is following this saprotrophic mode of nutrition. What happened? These are the mushrooms, those who are growing on the shady place. They are not the autotroph, but they are the heterotroph. What they are doing? They are growing on the dead and decay material. Where? Dead and decay material. This dead and decaying material converts into some juice, and this juice is absorbed by this mushroom for the nutrition. Such type of mode of nutrition is known as saprotrophic mode of nutrition. What? Saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Right. Let's move to the next one. The next type of mode of reproduction is symbiotic. Symbiotic word itself suggests its meaning. Symbiotic means some association, some positive relationship. Symbiotic mode of nutrition. Symbiotic mode of nutrition, usually we are looking in the lichens. What? In the lichens. Lichens are the natural indicator of pollution. लाइकन्स सबसे ज़्यादा मिलते हैं आपको ऐसे जगह पर जहाँ पे पॉल्यूशन ज़ीरो होता है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लाइकन्स होते हैं, और जैसे ही लाइकन्स रिड्यूस होना शुरू होते हैं इसका मतलब वहाँ पर पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, although everybody is love to move to the mountains during the summer break, और जब भी आप जाएं आप देखें मनाली, मसूरी, बहुत सारे लाइकन्स होते हैं पहाड़ों पर लगे हुए, पर जैसे ही पोल्यूशन लेवल बढ़ता है वो ड्राई होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. दे आर स्टार्ट अप ड्राइंग अप, राइट. बट व्हाट लाइकन्स आर एग्जैक्टली? Lichen is not a single organism, but it is a combination of two organisms. Which two organisms? Lichen is made up of algae and fungi. Algae provide food to fungi, and fungi provide shelter to algae. So they both are helping each other, they both are rely on each other. Fungi rely on algae for the food, algae rely on fungi for the shelter. So both are helping each other. When these two organisms combine together and grow together on each other, they are known as lichens. And lichen is the best example of symbiotic association and symbiotic mode of nutrition. With this topic we have finished our chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. If you are having any queries, if you want to ask something or you want to elaborate any topic, so just write in a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the best videos for your CBSE and NCERT syllabus. Thank you.